hello.
Oh, how's
Is that squeezing?
Yeah.
Is that squeezing? Is that squeezing? Is this jelly?
Oh, wow.
Is this jelly? I'm not even trying, bro. I'm not even trying.
You don't see a lot of beautiful beef ribs like this on the West Coast. Heritage Barbecue is one of the few representing Central Texas style barbecue out here, and they do it damn well. With roots in pop-up events and collaborations with local breweries, the Heritage team has trailblazed a path to bring properly smoked meats to the masses in Orange County. You can check them out now at their brick and mortar location in San Juan Capistrano. I'd bring a camping chair because the lines are Central Texas style too. I promise, it's worth the wait. I'm Chris from Foodbeast, and today I'm meeting up with Eli and Rudy at Heritage Barbecue to eat some of the finest smoked meats around. We'll also check out their house-made sausage program and chat with the owner, Danny. All right, y'all, let's eat.
It doesn't get any more country in any part of Orange County than San Juan Capistrano. People still ride horses around here, a lot of equestrians, rolling green hills, and cactus and all that sort of thing. So it's the closest thing to Texas that you could find in California, I thought. Yeah. After just hanging out here and feeling the vibes and all that of this area, we thought it would be just the perfect place to kind of set up. And I think people are beginning to get used to us too. The culture of waiting in line, something that they're really not used to. And then when I see people that are standing next to each other begin to talk to each other, and they're not friends or anything like that, but they become friends. I've even seen people exchange numbers, and that's something that in Texas you see happen all the time.
There's literally not another place that I can go and get barbecue like this. Yeah. So the line, I'm waiting in line because I recognize your mastery of your craft, and I want to support that. I want to come hang out and be with other people who recognize that too. We recognize like the hard work and the mastery of a craft that you put into this, and we want to recognize that and support that.
That spin that you bring, which is like doing the craft sides too. That's a California cuisine twist to it all. I didn't realize that until people back in Texas were telling me. They're like, you put your California twist on it. I'm like, I guess it is. Like really working with like Ecology Center, getting our produce from our local farm. Like that sort of stuff is very California.
Most excited about this shit, dude. I mean, it's hard. That's a dumb.
What a stupid question.
That is a stupid question.
White bread, brisket, pickles, onions.
What'd you call
That's
that?
the way to do it.
Is that
Texas
like
taco.
Texas taco. Oh my god. Go ahead, Chris. Hey, Rudy. Hey, get your little T-Rex arms. And grab this guy. Try to grab that bone.
Try to, like, dude, I don't know if you can do this, but maybe try to pick up some food.
Which part though? I think I want like this
all the parts.
Corner cap right here, like this.
Let's go, Rudy. Let's go, Rudy. I'm getting it, bro. I'm getting it.
Eat something, bro. Yeah, hand it off.
Oh, hello.
Oh, how's
is
that?
that squeezing?
Yeah.
Is that squeezing? Is that squeezing? Is this jelly?
Oh, wow.
Is this jelly? I'm not even trying, bro. I'm not even trying. Oh my god, it's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside.
Cheers?
Yeah, cheers. Cheers.
So this one is going to be corn and nopales, and it's pork sausage, and then right below it, beef salt and pepper. This will go in the smoker today. Frito pie and jalapeno cheddar kielbasa.
He makes whatever he feels like, and it's you never know what to get. So Sunday's gonna be dueling chorizos, red chorizo, green chorizo, and it's always fun to see which one sells out first.
we have some regulars that come down. They're once a week from Oxnard, dude.
Wow.
That's
kind of a dope little Friday though. Like, you know, every Friday though. Like, we're gonna have our meeting in line. We're just gonna
not
chill.
just us, but there's opportunity for people to open up their doors to make good barbecue, because we don't want to be the only, you know, California permitted offset barbecue place in the whole state. Like,
Right.
I want to go eat barbecue at other restaurants too. You know, I love barbecue, and so this is like step one for other people to be able to do it. So you don't have to drive from to come down here. You know, if you didn't want to, you could still find your neighborhood barbecue place that's fucking delicious.
Because you want a weekend too, bro. We gotta go to LA and like we need the dope spots there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like, for once it would be nice to eat barbecue and not cook
And
for
you would never,
18 hours.
You would never think that you were going to go to Los Angeles to go eat barbecue.
Right.
Because LA is not a barbecue destination.
Might change though.
It might change.
Yeah.
It might change.